Oh, huge. Look at that thing. Hey, watch out. Yes, see? I didn't know what it was, but it came out of the sky like that satellite did last week. Wow, after all that, Kenny Hubbard goes 4.130. 5 quicker than DJ McClain, excuse me, Kane. 173 miles per hour. You ready, Cole? Hang on. Look at him leave, and then the tire blows away. Uh-oh. Halprin may want to get on the brakes a little bit there and be careful, but anyway. Wow, so Luke Smith going down there and had an encounter with the guard wall down there, but he's getting out of the car, they say, so that's a good sign. So he's out of Ball Ground, Georgia. There we go, Lewis is. Douglasville, Georgia, the Mustang. Here we go. Meisner, Tim, run the lights out 14 down there with the guys. Lewis trying to give him a run down there. Wow, what a great track, man. I'm going to tell you what, 366. Oh, right in. Lewis DeLeon goes right in on him. He knows the tree's coming his way. Here it comes. Yep, then Marcus Burt goes 3.593. 206 miles per hour. That's got to send him right up that ladder. All right, so Ambersini, here's Ziff Hudson right next to him out of Concord, North Carolina. Ziff in. Wow, look at the wheel stand. Ziff Hudson lays it down like an airplane pilot on a 3. Unbelievable run for Ziff Hudson. I cannot believe my eyes and the way he saved that car and drove that wheel stand out. Unreal.